Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Checking blind spots and using blinkers is a lost concept for some. Speeding drunk bozo boxes himself in and loses all sense of spatial awareness. Red lights are optional, but hey, at least they slowed down first. These construction trucks were tossing firecrackers out the window at each other during my commute. This bridge collapsed literally a few hours ago, right in front of the camera. This crazy driver almost hits a pedestrian twice. No one saw this coming. I think there's some personal beef going on here. Another local cop decided he was just going to take a left from the right lane. This idiot overtakes over 5 cars in the wrong lane on a poorly lit road. Two idiots blew through a light and almost hit the truck in front of me. This motorcyclist gets hit by a car merging out of double solid lines. At some point, a red car also gets rear-ended. This idiot forgets to brake in spectacular fashion. Almost ran into the back of someone this morning going 65 miles per hour because someone had to try to pass me after their lane ended. Notice how the second driver looked right at us as she pulled out in front of us. Only idiots wait until the turn lane when there's a whole other lane available. Why? Because I have a Ram pickup and I'm more important than you. I'm no expert, but I'm pretty sure that even if the lights change, you're supposed to let the slow old folks finish crossing instead of running them over. This motorist turns left from the middle lane without yielding. Immediate consequences ensue.
A few moments later.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.